What's up, Chip?
Good morning.
So what are we doing?
We're going to New York City for the Autocon car show with the squadron.
Yeah, like Chip said, we're going to New York, Autocon show. We're going to meet TJ Hunt.
TJ and Hunt. Getting ready for this train ride hungover.
So if you don't know, Autocon is taking place in New York City. It's pretty cool. It's not too far from Times Square, so it's like right there. So since we're in Connecticut, we're pretty close, so we get to take the train there. The train ride's like 2 hours. It's not bad. It's a couple bucks. So got the whole gang. We're gonna head out, see some cool builds, see some cool vendors, and have a good time. So you guys excited?
Yes.
Concrete jungle where we don't meet.
Someone dropped their balloon.
Attendance will be notified and subject to search by.
We ain't paying for a cab, so we walking. So legs kind of hurt from yesterday, don't they?
Is we there yet?
You're burning for the tube. Yeah. Get him! Let's go! Oh, yeah! Give that a thumbs up.
Automatic burnouts are always the funniest thing.
That was awesome.
Well, free mattress. You want it?
I want it.
Let's take it home.
Sick.
If this is the line, I'm gonna cry. I think this might be the line. Line.
Where does it end? In your ass.
Right there.
This line is bigger than Jip's forehead.
Damn. I have no idea what to expect. I don't think anyone else does. I don't know if I think it's the first year they're doing it. I don't know, but it seems cool. Seems like there's a lot. I was kind of scared to be a bunch of like supercars and like a bunch of those kind of like boring things to see, but it seems like people coming in are modded car guys, so it seems pretty fun. So hopefully we got some cool cars, and hopefully we can bug TJ, maybe see that dude in blue, and say hi to Crispy. So.
Jimmy Oaks, fuck yeah.
What's up, man? Oh, there's Dustin.
There's like so many.
He lives in Connecticut. All right, so I just met TJ Hunt real quick. That's awesome. So, where's Crispy? Crispy's over here, but it's first impression. I'm pretty stoked. It seems like there's a lot of the clean culture guys out here. I mean, it is probably one of the bigger New York scenes, so I'm excited. There's a lot of GTRs.
If you guys are here at Autocon, oh my God! Oh, is that a Jimmy?
What's up, buddy?
Damn, if you guys are here at Autocon, so is Jimmy. That's what I was gonna say.
Oh, perfect. What's up?
How you been, man?
Look at the 8.6 and the 8.6. Oh my God. Boy. One day we're putting an SR in one of those. Damn, dude, the IS lineup right now. This really makes me want to build mine. You know, I'm gonna shed a tear over this thing. I'm pretty impressed right now. I don't know why there's a stock E46 here, but like whatever. Do you?
I'm not gonna knock it.
Damn guys, I'm just losing my shit out here. These cars are awesome. As you guys know, I love my stand rear wheel drive cars.
This is Liberty Walk. This is the Liberty Walk.
Hey, the SC, Bobby, where you at? See, usually when I come to a car show, I don't know what to film, so I tend to film like my top couple favorite cars. Every car here is. Look at this. The white NSX with the red Recaros. So many JZs out here. I don't know how I feel about the red offsets, but like I see you. Damn. This could be me. It's a lot of girth.
I like it though.
Soon enough, boys. See, this is the perfect case where the LCW wing just looks absolutely amazing on the car and makes it. It's a long bitch. All right. Look how tight of a fit this thing is. I told you the Arby's don't fit well in these things. So I'm saying, yo, Jip, you ever wear white shoes while cutting the grass?
That's what it looks like.
Yellow FDs will forever have my heart. If I could pick any color for an FD, yellow.
Yellow's hot on these and like E36s.
B-Hall would have loved this thing.
B-Hall would love to see. It's not nice.
See, these are another one of those engines that you can get a long block for like $300, slap a turbo on it, and make 500 horsepower. VRs are insane. Good luck, Bighorn. Alright.
Big money, come on, big money.
All on black, all on black. Oh, Bighorn. Car's hella new and he already has every carbon piece for it.
We out here, you know what I'm trying to say? Gee, you want to hear a little like 3-bar?
Let's see it.
I can't rap.
So big on camera, it's crazy seeing it the other
You know what else looks big on camera? Your goddamn forehead.
Yeah?
And your receding hairline. Got him.
Nah.
My friend really wants to take a picture with you guys. He's
Stop doing
shy.
that.
He's just a little shy.
Nah, because
Ursa, I can go ask them if they can take a picture with Jip, right?
Yeah, I'll go
Okay.
ask.
I'm gonna tell these girls it's Jip's birthday and that he's really shy and that he really wants to take a picture.
He's such a scaredy cat.
This is why we call him Jip.
We're not gonna fight Jip.
who's Jip?
Do you really own a GTR if you don't instantly wrap it with a matte color?
Yeah, no. Yes, no.
Sunburned Randy.
Gotta get low sometimes, feel me? Show him what's good.
Chain.
Hearing
Y'all see it. Y'all see the ice.
The clear $5.
She's ended up bleeding on every single one. You don't do that! Someone come get your moms. Steffi's trying to cop some crispy gear. Go skip the line.
I'm gonna do it.
Thank you, Crispy. You like your dad hat?
Heck yeah, I do.
Beautiful. She's getting it.
You think I could do that?
Her butt cheeks left mark on the car. Hey, B-Hall, where you at? Corrado. Everyone tell B-Hall to finish Corrado. It's his coolest car.
You'll finish it.
How did I miss this thing? This thing is beautiful. Alright guys, I don't know if it's just me or not, but honestly, a lot of the energy steering wheels look so cheap. And I see people put so much money in their car and then they have an energy wheel and it looks so tacky. Am I missing something? We're gonna go meet that dude in blue because I never met him before. Oh, look at him. Dave Paddock. I'm nervous.
You waved to me.
Hello.
What's up, Dave?
How's it going? How are you? Oh, you're fine. Yeah, nice to meet you. How's your day going?
Oh, one of the kids that I knew was Hartford. This is the most New York thing I've ever seen. Oh my God.
I even have a video of how sideways.
Yo, just dumping all the oil on the ground.
On the street.
Hey, you're getting paparazzi. Like these guys I've been chilling with.
What?
Also, I just wanted to share a
I gotta say, I'm glad to finally run into David, Jimmy here.
Oh, hey. Picture.
I recognize you, man. No, I recognize you.
You're a lot taller.
I wish I had $1.
Your size too. What's funny is I ran into TJ and Calvin. I thought TJ would have been a lot taller and Calvin would have been a lot shorter.
I was like,
If anybody wants to see any videos, I have a YouTube. It's Luna Productions.
For him to put in this room to admire me.
Oh, I'll put it like facing up on my
On
bed.
the ceiling?
I'm gonna sign it just for you.
Okay.
Wait.
You have to say two.
You're such a fuck.
Just for you.
Going in the shop.
Are you gonna?
This is definitely another weird combo. This is an S13 hatch, of course, but it has a whole different front end on it. I don't know what is that front end called?
They call it S13 Boss version 2.
Boss version 2. Makes it look like an old muscle car, doesn't it? I think this is really, really cool. Change up the whole style of the car. So it looks like the glass is almost etched, but this is just vinyl. I think that's really cool.
Jimmy's out.
It was awesome. There's a lot of cool cars there. I wish there was a little bit more vendors. I wish I could have brought my car. That would have been really awesome. But like I said, I had no idea the show was even happening. It's like 4 years ago, which I think is insane. So it was cool. I got to meet TJ Hunt really quick. I met Calvin. I saw Dustin. Dave Patterson I get to meet for the first time. We didn't get to talk much because there are a lot of subscribers here. You should have saw TJ's line. It was absolutely ridiculous. Like people were waiting
I filmed that too.
People were waiting 3 hours to get a picture with TJ. I was hoping to like say hi to him, but I was hoping to say bye to TJ, but he was busy. So TJ, I'll catch up with you next time. Calvin, it was nice to meet you. And yeah, so the guys left a few hours ago. They wanted to go get some food and stuff. So Steffi and I are gonna go catch up with them and see what else we can do for the day. But we're exhausted.
Look at this. I like that.
You like that?
Yeah.
I would not trust my GTR right there. Terrifying. On that LZ lifestyle. A lot of interesting things today, isn't there?
Yeah, we got some boobs over there and butts.
It's always fun.
They're right out there. You want to see a big ball?
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's that. All right, I just scarfed down a pretzel, so drooling here, but we lost the guys. I wanted to go home a little bit earlier, so they took a train like an hour ahead of us. So me and Steffi did a few date things.
Yes, we stayed later too.
And taking the train home now is definitely an awesome event. I wish I knew about it like way more in advance so we could plan for it, maybe bring a car, but I think it was a really cool experience meeting everyone. And there's a lot of cool subscribers out there, so whoever I saw out there, thanks for coming up and saying hi, but I think we're missing our train.
Oh, sorry.
We found the train. So the show was like I said before, I keep talking, but show was awesome. I wish there was a little bit more vendors, but it was definitely cool to see all the people. There's a lot of cool car guys out there, a lot of cool subscribers. So maybe next year we'll do something cooler.
Yeah,
but
we'll know about it.
Soon I have to head out to LA and catch up with everyone else down there because I know they have crazy shows on there all the time. But a 2-hour trip wreck, and I'm gonna sleep like a baby after I edit this video, of course. And I think that's about it. Anything else to say? You have to say anything?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for more content.
And I'll see you guys probably tomorrow.